Okay guys, today we're going to play Murder Mystery 2. And I also want this no wait, I will put my recording here. Guys, since I want get right with that, this is my also. My bats, knife bat. I give it to my favorite brother because I really love him. Just like
Bubo mo, bubo.
Ngayon nga pala, dito tayo sa mansion guys. I think kaka-join ko lang kasi, kaya automatic magiging ano tayo nito. Innocent! Sana wala pong pumatay agad sa atin. Pamangkin ko. Sorry guys, kung maingay. Kasi ko party dito. Tapos, nanonood ng TV yung inaanak ko. Let's go! Guys, please don't kill me. Because I'm just really new and you know it. I'm just level 50. I'm just newbie. Okay guys, get out. Hey, what the fuck, chicken? You're a little dog. Bro, can see. No. Okay, there is two alive. Hey, duckling. My God. I'm just a little bit scared right now. Because I don't know if the... By the way guys, Tagalog ako. Oh my God, may patay na pala dito. Di ko pa nakita yung kanina, ngayon ko lang napansin. Titignan mo nga kung nandun na yung kung nakalipatay na yung Sherry. Hey! What are you serious? Why did you not shoot? Oh my God, so ugly. I need to buy this radioactive. What is your favorite color that you got? I got green. In my bag. Oh my God! The girl Habaha is the merge. My God, oh, just